After receiving the product, open the package. Inside, you will find the motor driver and a potentiometer speed control knob. This is the DC24RT50BL motor driver. The input voltage range is 12V to 48V DC, with a maximum output current of 50 A. It uses PWM Speed Control for smooth motor operation and low noise. The driver also features automatic regenerative braking. When equipment travels downhill or a lift platform moves downward, regenerative braking helps prevent overshoot. This terminal is for the brake switch. When the brake terminal is connected to COM, additional braking force is applied. This terminal is for the enable switch. The motor will only output current when the in terminal is connected to COM. When AN is disconnected from COM, motor output is disabled. This is the direction control terminal. When left open, the motor rotates forward. When connected to COM, the motor rotates in reverse. Now connect the potentiometer. Connect the wires to terminals S1, S2, and S3 in order. Next, connect the power supply. Connect DC plus to the positive terminal of the power source. Connect DC to the negative terminal. Because the RT series drivers support regenerative braking, we recommend using a battery as the power source. If a switching power supply must be used, a back EMF discharge module is recommended to prevent driver damage. Now let's demonstrate with a small motor. Connect out plus to the motor positive terminal. Connect out to the motor negative terminal. The motor will only run when in is connected to COM. At this moment, adjusting the speed knob will have no effect because the driver is not enabled. After enabling the driver, adjust the speed knob. The motor will start running. Now let's test the direction control. When the direction terminal is connected to COM, the motor reverses direction. Now let's test the brake function. When the brake terminal is connected to COM, regenerative braking is activated. The driver has a green power indicator LED and a red fault indicator LED. If the input voltage exceeds 63 volts, overvoltage protection is triggered. The red LED will flash 3 times repeatedly. If the input voltage drops below 15 volts while enabled, undervoltage protection is triggered. The red LED will flash 2 times repeatedly. Once the voltage returns to normal, re-enable the driver to clear the fault. Inside the driver, there are several adjustment potentiometers. These control soft start, soft stop, minimum output speed, maximum forward speed, and maximum reverse speed. Let's start with soft start and soft stop. Turning the adjustment clockwise increases the ramp time. The adjustment range is approximately 0.2 seconds to 20 seconds. Reducing the soft start setting makes the motor accelerate faster. Reducing the soft stop setting makes the motor stop faster. This allows precise control of the motor's maximum speed in both directions. Next is the minimum output adjustment. This setting determines the motor's starting speed when the speed command is set to 0. Increasing the minimum output allows the motor to maintain an initial idle speed. As the external speed signal increases, the motor speed increases from this preset base speed. Finally, we have the maximum speed limit adjustment. For forward rotation, turning the potentiometer clockwise increases the maximum speed. Turning it counterclockwise decreases the maximum speed. The same adjustment principle applies to the reverse rotation speed limit. This allows precise control of the motor's maximum speed in both directions.